Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to reset password in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. If you forgot your password and want to reset it, then here's the solution. You can see the option Get Help Signing In. Tap on this. Here, enter your Instagram username or the email address or the phone number which link to your account. Then tap on Next. To access your account, you can send an email or send an SMS or log in with Facebook. If you want to reset your password through email address, tap on Send an email. Or if you want to reset your password through SMS, then tap on Send an SMS. Or if you want to log in with Facebook, then tap on the third option. I am selecting Send an email. An email has been sent to your account's email address. Please check your email to continue. Now go to your email address. This is the email by which you can reset your password. Here you can see an option Reset your Instagram password. Tap on this. Now enter a new password. Enter the new password again. After that, tap on the button Reset Password. That's it. Your password has been reset successfully and you are forwarded to your Instagram account. In this way, you can reset your password in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.